Have you ever woken up in the morning feeling like your body worked against you all night instead of for you? What if I told you that the hours between 10 at night and 6 in the morning could be the most powerful fat-burning window of your entire day, and most people are wasting it without even knowing it? Stay with me for the next few minutes, because what I am about to share could quietly change the way your body burns fat while you are fast asleep and doing absolutely nothing. I am Dr. Watsun, and today we are talking about something that almost nobody explains properly. Your body does not stop working when you close your eyes. In fact, for many people, the real fat-burning process begins only after the lights go off. While you dream, your body is quietly repairing tissue-balancing hormones, and if the conditions are right, burning stored fat for energy. But here is the problem. Most people unknowingly sabotage this natural process through small nighttime habits that block fat burning before it even starts. Tonight, we are going to fix that together with 7 simple science-backed bedtime habits that work with your body instead of against it. Before we go further, if you are someone who cares about aging well, staying strong and feeling energetic instead of sluggish, then this channel is exactly where you need to be. Hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications so you never miss the next video that could genuinely improve the way you feel every single day. Let us start with the first habit, and it is something almost nobody talks about, which is the timing of your last meal. Eating too close to bedtime forces your body to spend the night digesting instead of repairing and burning fat. When you eat late, your insulin levels rise, and while insulin is elevated, your body is in storage mode, not burning mode. This means all that food sitting in your stomach is more likely to be stored as fat rather than used as fuel. A simple fix is to try finishing your last meal at least 3 hours before you go to sleep. This gives your digestive system time to settle down and allows your body to shift into repair and fat-burning mode once you finally rest your head on the pillow. The second habit involves something as simple as room temperature. Studies have shown that sleeping in a slightly cooler room between 65 and 68 degrees Fahrenheit can activate something called brown fat. Unlike regular white fat, which stores energy, brown fat actually burns calories to generate heat. When your body has to work a little to stay warm at night, it activates this brown fat and increases your metabolic rate even while you are completely still. So tonight, consider lowering your thermostat just a few degrees or using a lighter blanket and let your body do a little extra work burning calories, simply by staying warm. The third habit is about protein before bed, and I know this might sound surprising because many people think eating before sleep is bad. But the key is what you eat and how much. A small amount of slow-digesting protein, such as a handful of nuts or a spoonful of cottage cheese, can support muscle repair overnight. Muscle tissue is metabolically active, which means more muscle equals more calories burned even at rest. When you support muscle repair overnight, instead of leaving your body without fuel for repair, you are essentially helping your metabolism stay active through the night, rather than slowing down. The fourth habit is something most people completely overlook, and that is limiting blue light exposure at least 1 hour before bed. Screens from phones, tablets, and television emit blue light, which suppresses a hormone called melatonin. Melatonin does much more than help you fall asleep. It also plays a role in regulating fat metabolism. When melatonin levels are disrupted, your body's ability to burn fat efficiently during sleep is also disrupted. Try dimming your lights an hour before bed and putting your phone away. Even this one small shift can help your body enter deeper, more restorative sleep, where fat burning naturally increases. The fifth habit is deep breathing or gentle stretching before sleep. When your nervous system is stuck in a stressed state, your body produces more cortisol. Elevated cortisol at night can interfere with growth hormone release, which is one of the key hormones responsible for burning fat during deep sleep. Taking just 5 minutes to breathe, slowly stretch gently, or meditate before bed can lower cortisol and allow your body to shift into the parasympathetic state needed for deep restorative sleep. This is often the missing piece for people who sleep for 8 hours but still wake up feeling tired and puffy. The sixth habit is something incredibly simple yet powerful, which is maintaining a consistent sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps regulate your circadian rhythm. Your circadian rhythm controls not just when you feel sleepy, but also when your body releases fat-burning hormones like growth hormone and when it regulates blood sugar through insulin. An irregular sleep schedule confuses this internal clock and can lead to hormonal imbalances that make fat loss significantly harder no matter how well you eat or exercise during the day. Try setting a fixed bedtime this week even on weekends, and notice how much more energized you feel within just a few days. The seventh and final habit is proper hydration before bed, but with balance. Dehydration overnight can slow metabolic processes, including fat oxidation. However, drinking large amounts of water right before bed can disrupt sleep due to frequent bathroom trips. The solution is to hydrate consistently throughout the day rather than loading up right before sleep. This way, your body has what it needs to carry out metabolic processes overnight without interrupting your rest. Now, here is something important to understand about why these 7 habits work together rather than separately. Fat burning during sleep is largely controlled by growth hormone secretion, which peaks during deep sleep stages, particularly in the first few hours of the night. If your blood sugar is elevated from eating too late, if your room is too warm, if blue light has suppressed your melatonin, if stress hormones are elevated, if your sleep schedule is inconsistent, or if you are dehydrated, then this natural growth hormone release becomes blunted. But when you align these 7 small habits together, you create the ideal internal environment for your body to do what it was designed to do, burn fat efficiently, repair itself, and wake up feeling lighter and more energized. Many people spend hours in the gym or follow restrictive diets while completely ignoring the biggest fat-burning opportunity available to them, which is happening every single night for free. Sleep is not just rest. It is an active metabolic process, and when you support it properly, your body becomes a more efficient fat-burning machine without you having to do any extra work during the day. If you found this valuable, I want you to do one simple thing right now. Subscribe to this channel because we are building a community here that is focused on real practical health information without gimmicks or shortcuts. Every video we create is designed to help you feel stronger, more energetic, and more in control of your health as you age. If that sounds like something you want to be part of, then subscribing is the easiest way to support this mission and stay updated with more videos just like this one. I want to leave you with one final thought before we close today. Your body is working for you every single night, whether you realize it or not. The question is whether you are helping it or unintentionally holding it back. Small, consistent changes to your evening routine can create powerful results over time. You do not need extreme diets or exhausting workout routines to support fat loss. Sometimes the most powerful changes happen quietly while you sleep. Try incorporating even 2 or 3 of these habits starting tonight, and give your body 1 to 2 weeks to adjust. Hormonal and metabolic changes take time, but they are absolutely achievable with consistency. Pay attention to how you feel in the morning, your energy levels, your hunger patterns, and even how your clothes fit over the coming weeks. This information is provided for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Please consult with your doctor or a qualified healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet, sleep habits, or lifestyle, especially if you have any existing medical conditions or are taking medication. Everyone's body is different, and what works for one person may not work the same way for another. Thank you for watching until the end. If this video helped you even a little, please give it a thumbs up so more people can benefit from this information. And do not forget to subscribe for more videos just like this one. I will see you in the next video, and until then, take care of yourself and rest well tonight.